Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NTRP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the crazy mover today, but overall, just looking at today in and of itself, an interesting setup going forward because, the bulls did show signs of strength in the sense of overall the course of the entire day, the price just slowly continued to creep its way higher and higher. And then you look at the final portion of the day as far as volume is concerned, and volume very clearly returned back in. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because these dynamics happen does not mean that this is for sure going to get some sort of massive bounce going forward. The point is, the bulls showed some signs of strength, and it's not like it was all bearishness the entire day where all the price did was drift lower and lower and downwards. Like I said, quite the opposite. All the price actually did it here was drift upwards. So does that mean that this is for sure some sort of, continued move happening? No, there's no such thing as a for sure, but it also wouldn't be very shocking to see something like that happen too. So on that note, really the easiest way to kind of measure the current strength of the chart in regards to the price just drifting higher and higher is to throw that trend line in place. And, kind of moral of the story there is as long as the price is above that trend line, that implies that the price is indeed drifting higher and higher. And that's what you want to see. You want to see prices just drift higher and higher. And, that is assuming you're bullish, of course. And that's how, what that trend line is going to help you be able to measure. Now, on the flip side of things, what about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? First key level to keep an eye on is going to be right here. Now, granted, the price already broke through 95, but I mean keep an eye on in the sense of can the price actually stay above it? Because a true breakout has two parts. First part being the obvious one, well, yeah, price has to break above a certain level. But then the second part is, well, can the price actually stay above it? So that's why I'm still going to consider 95 cents a level of resistance. Sure, again, the price has clearly broken above it, but let's see if the price can stay above it. And if so, the next key measuring point and big test will be can the price actually get up through that $1.05 mark. So keep an eye on these couple levels going forward. All in all, though, moral of the story, like I said, the price is drifting upwards. The price got a nice little surge of volume late day today, so we'll see if this is a leading indicator of potentially a bigger movement to the upside or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.